So maybe you're having some neck spasms or some neck pain or some neck cramping, and it's happening, say, roughly here, because it usually does, and it's doing its usual, lightning bolts shooting out of it, ouch, all that stuff. And we'll say it's muscles oriented roughly in this direction, because there are a lot of them, whether that's the levator scapula you see here, could be the upper fibers of the longissimus muscle, or, the trapezius muscle. We're all pretty familiar with that one. And we tend to think, I'm going to stretch this thing out. It hurts. I'm going to stretch it really good. I'm going to take my head and bend it away from the pain. I'll either hold my shoulder in the same place, or better yet, I'll yank down on that arm really hard, further elongating the muscle, taking it as long as I possibly can. And it turns out this is not a great idea. It might tear or pull some of those fibers, or it might even irritate it worse than it already is. Because that muscle actually wants to be short. This is not a good idea. It wants to contract and be in a shortened position. So we might want to consider doing something the exact opposite, bringing that head and neck to the same side as the pain, bringing that head right over towards the shoulder to shorten up those tissues, to shorten it, make it as short as we possibly can, either leaving the shoulder in the same place, or better yet, even bringing the shoulder up towards the problem. Because the reality is the muscle's trying to be short. And so when we shorten it, we can actually calm it down. It sends a signal back when we do this to the central nervous system that says, hey, we're as short as we can get. And oftentimes this negates or turns off the signal to contract, stop the cramping. You could even twist it a little bit, left or right, just to further shorten it. Depends on what it is and how you're put together. But this also helps shorten it and helps it calm down, ultimately leading to better relaxation, better calming down of the muscle, and better yet, it actually makes it not hurt anymore.